Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I am here with Mr. Not a Tree. We are unboxing Hades Hot Box. This is a monthly gourmet artisanal hot food subscription box. So they send all kinds of different products from different companies that have a hot and spicy flavor. We're kind of excited. This is not, unfortunately, a tasting review. We are on the road. We are in Niagara Falls, New York right now. But I wanted to get this video up, and then I will go through each product in the full blog review with you guys and like kind of describe it and all that stuff. But I wanted to bring this guy along because he loves hot food, and that's that. Oh, boxes are $32.29. I think that's like a limited time offer a month, and then but they're originally set $37.99, so that's a good deal. I will link to them below, so you can check them out if you're interested. And then they do offer reduced prices for longer subscriptions. All right, so here's what it can. That's my address. It comes like this. You open it up. You have all this stuff here. So there's a little letter. Do you want to read it?
I'll read it. Can I do a dramatic reading?
Yeah, sure. Do a dramatic reading.
Ooh, I like this little ribbon here.
Ribbon?
That's very nice. Thank you for choosing Hades Hot Box. Inside you will find the following.
Oh, no, you're going to give it away.
Oh, sorry, don't.
All right, but at the bottom it's everything that's in here. We know that you will love everything. Check out all the vendors' websites, and don't forget to review us at HadesHotBox.com and like and share our Facebook page. Okay.
I've been to their website. It's really nice. So.
Yeah, we were just looking at it together. Yeah. All right, so first we have a hot sauce.
Yes.
Nice. This is Heartbreaking Dawn's $14.98.
Ooh, apricot.
Apricot and Trinidad Scorpion hot sauce.
I'm going to try that. That's going to be good.
You want to try it right now?
Yeah.
We don't have any chips or anything, but we'll try it.
Yeah, I'll try a little.
We can still take a picture. It's
okay.
just the bags. You can't open the bags because I didn't take my pictures yet.
Yeah, it's got to be a surprise.
Great. Yeah, exactly. Oh, there's more.
Keep going.
Okay. All right, so this one is Bee's Knees Spicy Honey. So this is from Bushwick Kitchen, made in Brooklyn, New York. It's a 13.5 ounce container.
That's a lot of honey.
That's a lot of honey.
That's
honey
awesome.
is very expensive, just so we all know. So we can try this too.
Wow. Oh, that smells good. Babe, this is going to be too hot for you.
Is it?
I mean, you can try it, but I would not recommend it. All right, put a little, just a dab on the finger. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, that's hot.
Is it really?
Oh, but it's sweet. You can try a little bit.
Oh, this is good. Isn't this? Maybe it is spicy. It's a little spicy.
Yeah.
It's a little spicy.
Yeah.
But it's really good. Do you want to try that? Or?
No, absolutely do. By the way, just real quick on this. A lot of things, a lot of hot sauces, they just try to be hot, and they don't try to make something good. The apricot, that is delicious. So there's like a nice sweetness, but there's also some serious heat. Like, you don't go overboard with that. That's the honey.
Ooh. Oh, wow. It's hot.
I told you it was hot.
It's hot.
Oh, this is really good.
It's mild. Yeah, the heat.
Yeah, no, this is like a very like comfortable. Oh, that's good.
Yeah. Would you mind passing me the cap?
Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah, here we go.
That's hot. That is very hot.
But
I think it is good though. The flavor is really good.
Yeah, no, I'll put it right over. Yeah.
All right. Next we have Unique Pretzels. So I'm familiar with Unique Pretzels, but these are the pretzel shells, Flavor Shock Buffalo. So these are going to be buffalo flavored.
Oh, that's good.
Little like, I guess the casings of like big pretzels. I don't know.
You said you were familiar with them.
I'm familiar with the brand, not the size though, of course.
Pretzel shells.
So I like buffalo flavor.
Oh yeah, I gotcha. It's like the it's almost like pretzel sticks. These are gonna be good. These are gonna be excellent.
All right, then we have Spontaneous Combustion Ghost Pepper Popcorn.
Ooh.
This is a microwavable popcorn. I've never seen anything like this, by the way. Have you?
No, I've not.
This is a 3.5 ounce bag. So you pop it, and you've got ghost pepper flavored, hot, freaking popcorn.
That's gonna be good. We should have this tonight as a snack.
Yeah.
Oh, that's gonna be good. I'm looking forward to that.
All right, so finally we have this giant thing here of Bob's Addiction Jalapeno Cheese Grits. And this is a non-GMO product. And it says on the back here, I love grits, by the way.
Yeah, grits are delicious. Oh, yeah, no, grits are good.
I wasn't sure. All right, so our jalapeno cheese grits are made from custom ground old school mills, white non-GMO corn, and non-GMO ingredients. And then it's how to make them. This makes 4 cups.
That's good. That's like a nice breakfast serving with the grits for like 2 or 3 people.
Yeah, exactly.
That's
to make 1 cup of cooked grits, bring a cup of water to boil.
Yeah.
And that's all. You just add water, basically.
Yeah, well, I mean, it takes time.
Right. You gotta actually cook it, but you don't have to add too much more to it.
Yeah.
So I'm excited because I'm always looking for new things for breakfast.
Yeah.
Because I'm not a sweet breakfast person.
Or an eggs person, so what does that leave?
not a whole lot today. So that's everything that we received in this box. What do you think?
Oh, dude, I'm really looking forward to trying that hot sauce on Taco Tuesday.
Yes.
Yeah,
yes.
right?
All
That's
right.
going to be good.
So if you're interested in the full review where we eat all the other products, I will link to that below. I will also link to Hades Hot Box so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.